Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best dining table runner and placemat set for 6, the SHACOS 15-inch round braided placemats. These placemats are not just functional but also add a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Crafted from a blend of 40% cotton and 60% polyester, they offer durability and a unique texture thanks to the thin plastic transparent threads woven throughout. These threads give the placemats a subtle shine under light, helping them maintain their shape and resist wrinkles, which means they'll look great on your table day after day. Measuring 15 inches in diameter, these round placemats are perfectly sized to accommodate most plates and bowls, fitting seamlessly on rectangular, round, or oval tables. The braided pattern features a mix of beige, light brown, and white threads arranged in a swirl, giving each placemat a slightly unique appearance while maintaining a cohesive look overall. This subtle variation adds a handcrafted charm that complements a wide range of home decor styles, from modern and rustic to boho and farmhouse. Functionality is a key highlight of this set. While the placemats are not waterproof due to the tiny holes in the braided weave, they do offer heat resistance suitable for hot plates and cups, protecting your table from daily wear and tear. However, it's important to avoid placing pots or pans that come straight off the stove on them, as they aren't designed to withstand extremely high temperatures. Cleaning is simple and convenient. Just hand wash them in cold water with a soft brush and air dry, or wipe clean with a damp sponge when needed. Machine washing is not recommended to preserve their integrity. When you receive these placemats, they come folded in half, but any creases disappear quickly after unpacking. If you want a perfectly flat surface, a light steam iron or hand wash followed by air drying will smooth them out nicely. They're lightweight yet sturdy, weighing just over a pound for the pack of 6, making them easy to handle and store. This set is ideal for everyday meals, family gatherings, and special occasions like holidays, weddings, and parties. Their neutral beige tone blends effortlessly with any table setting, enhancing your dining area without overpowering it. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just want to add a touch of warmth and protection to your table, these placemats deliver both style and practicality. In summary, the SHACOS 15-inch round braided placemats offer a beautiful balance of aesthetic appeal and functional design. With their durable cotton-polyester blend, heat resistance, and easy maintenance, they're a reliable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their dining table setup with a set that serves 6. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.